128 divided by 4. We are going to use the Big 7 strategy to solve this division problem. The first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this division problem to look like this. And then we're going to create our multiplication menu. Remember, the menu helps us think about our division. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 10 is 40. I like to start with 2, 5, and 10. We could also do 4 times 15. And that's 40 plus 20, which is 60. And then I can do 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 50 is 200. All right, the next step is I'm going to make my 7. And now I'm going to use this menu to help me. And I'm going to think, 4 times what number gets me close to 128 without going over? So if I look at my menu right now, the number that gets me close to 128 without going over is 20. So I'm going to use 20, and I put that on the outside of my 7, and now I do my multiplication. 4 times 20 is 80, and now I'm going to subtract, which is 48. The next step is to think 4 times what number gets me close to 48 without going over. If I look at my menu, 4 times 10 is 40. That gets me pretty close to 48, so I'm going to use my 10. 10 times 4 is 40. Next we subtract. 48 minus 40 is 8. 4 times what number is 8? Well, I know that's 2. 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract, we get 0. Since we got to a 0, that tells us that there's no remainder. And so now we're going to write the quotient, which is the answer to our division. So we're going to add up the numbers on the outside of our 7. So 20 plus 10 plus 2 is 32. We'll write our quotient at the very top of our division symbol. So if we go back up to the top, make sure you write your quotient at the very top. 128 divided by 4 is 32.